All right, I'm leaving Winslow, Arizona, and I'm getting off of I-40 today. I'm going to be on 99 into Holbrook. Come on, Myrtle. Let's go. Oh, he's back. Hey, bud. Okay, I'm making a left here, which means the wind is going to be behind me. So this is an alternative route that adventure cycling offers between Winslow and Holbrook. So we're going to take Territorial Road. This does not look good here. 9 miles, huh? Can hear it in my ear. It's unpaved. Yeah, that's not great. Yeah, it's not great. Let's see what happens up here, because I may just have to turn this right around. But let's just see if it continues. This is not going to work for me. I have to go back to I-40. It's really hard to get traction on this road. It's a lot of washboard. Yeah, maybe I just didn't read the directions very well, because that is not good. So my ride just got extended 8.5 miles. Luckily, it wasn't a very long ride today. I think I had like 35 miles. So it'll probably be closer to 45. Yeah. Yeah, washboard, unpaved, no traction. That's not going to work for me, that's for sure. So I got the boys again. On the way back, guys are getting some good exercise, I think. Yeah, it's good. See you later. Okay, so I have 15.5 miles and 550 feet of climbing, and I am back where I started in Winslow. And the entrance to I-40 should be just ahead. And I gotta say, I'm pretty lucky, because today was a lighter mile day. I think it was gonna be like 35 miles. If it had been a big mile day, I think I would have had to just stay here for another night and try again in the morning. But the winds are going to be very, very strong today. I think they're going to be a tailwind out of the west, pushing me east. But it seems like I can't get away from I-40. Yeah, Wigwam Motel. Unfortunately, it is not open. Look at all these old cars. And apparently you can rent these. I'm sure it's pretty expensive if they are open, but I was kind of willing to splurge. How fun would it be to stay in one of these? So this is Holbrook, Arizona. Really fun. I made it to Holbrook. I'm at Brad's Desert Highway Inn on Route 66. And I love places like this, these little kind of motor courts. It's got some fun artwork all around it. And here's Myrtle. I'll bring her in to the room later. Let me show you. So I was talking to the owner and telling her my story. The room actually goes for $88 a night, but after hearing my story, she dropped it to $65. It's pretty nice, and it's almost like a little kitchen refrigerator, and nice big bathroom too. And today, funny day, I had quite a detour. I started off taking an alternative route out of Winslow. I was very excited to be off of Highway 40, and maybe 5-6 miles into it, turned to dirt, no traction. It was washboard, and had to turn around and make my way back to the highway. There was a big tailwind today, pushed me along. I ended up doing just about 50 miles and over 1,000 feet of climbing. So much warmer today, no snow. Oh my gosh, it has been so cold, so it's quite a relief to have it be warmer. And welcome to Holbrook.